How to open a Royal Bank of Scotland account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a Royal Bank of Scotland account. To open a bank account on Royal Bank of Scotland, here you will need to first open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in rbs.co.uk. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Royal Bank of Scotland. Here you can also download Royal Bank of Scotland application on your device. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and find this Our Product section. From here, you will need to choose Current Accounts. And now you will need to choose one of these accounts based on your preference. I'm selecting Everyday Bank Account. Once you select it, here you will be able to see the information regarding it, and it also says that you must be at least 18 years old and UK resident in order to apply for it. Go ahead and tap on this Continue to Select Account button right here, and in this page you will need to scroll down. Here you can tap on this Ready to Apply button now. After that, you will need to review all of these informations. You must be at least 18 years old and you need to be a UK resident. After scrolling down, here you will be able to see Continue button. Tap on this Continue button in order to proceed further. Here it says, do we already know you, as we are going to create a new account, so you need to click on this I'm a completely new customer with no existing bank account with Royal Bank. Once you select it, tap on this Next button below. Here you will need to select one of these options. Select this Open a Sole Select Account, then tap on Next button. Here you will need to choose Yes or No for the document you have. You will need to have either a passport or driving license. You can tap on Yes if you have. If not, you can tap on No. Then tap on this Next button to continue. After that, you will reach this page. Here you need to fill out the application form. Scroll down and tap on the Start Your Application. Again, you will be taken to a new page. Now in the page, you will be able to see the application form. In this page, here you will need to choose a title. Tap on this box and choose your title. Enter your first name. Then if you have a middle name, you can choose yes. If not, tap on this no. Then enter your last name. After that, you'll need to enter your birthday. Then you will need to enter your mobile number. After that, enter your email address. And then tap on this Next button at the very bottom. After that, you will need to complete your identity verification. You will need to upload your photo, ID and proof your address. You may also need to take a selfie for verification. After that, carefully review all the information provided and the documents. After that, you can submit your application once you have confirmed that everything is accurate. And after submission, you will receive an email or text confirmation regarding the status of your application. If approved, you will also receive further instructions on how to access your new account. So by following these steps, you can successfully open an account with Royal Bank of Scotland and start managing your finances effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.